Hi, this is Mike from DynamicPoint. Today we're going to look at our Office 365 based AP invoice automation product by the name of EasyAP365. What makes our product different? First of all, it is entirely based on the Office 365 platform. The app is added to your environment and the data is stored in your Office 365 tenant. You can configure and maintain the app, and it leverages products that you already own. As you can see here, all of the data is stored within SharePoint libraries and lists, as well as SharePoint provides the dashboard for the product. Invoice review, as well as business automation, is provided by Power Automate. And our app provides the PO as well as non-PO processing, as well as ERP integration. Here's the steps we're going to walk through: a vendor submitting an invoice via email, the processing of this invoice and receipt of it from the accounts payable department, the review by managers, and lastly, the integration directly into the ERP product. We'll start first with the vendor submission of the invoice. I'll go ahead and bring over an email. This will be my vendor attaching the invoice and submitting it to our processing queue. The next step, accounts payable has access to this dashboard. They could go directly into this invoice processing queue here. Again, this is a SharePoint-based app, so this looks like a SharePoint site. From this dashboard, they will see all of the invoices that have been received. If they are non-PO invoices, allocation items have been added either by default or by templates in our system. If it is a PO invoice, then it'll be matched directly with the purchase orders that exist in the ERP application. After this review, I could go ahead and submit these for approval. Submitting them for approval kicks off the managerial review step. Managers will receive email notifications, including the invoice, as well as an ability to approve or reject it. This review could also be conducted from Teams if they prefer. After they approve or reject it, this invoice will be directly created in the ERP application as an invoice that's ready to be posted and paid, including a drill back to this invoice such that it could be referenced directly from the ERP. That was it for today's brief overview. So don't be sold on bringing sand to the beach. Use what you already own. If you have any further questions, here's our product information site, as well as how to schedule a demo and a contact us email. Thank you for your time.